Welcome friends, I am Urmila Durgude and in our 10th standard class, this is your book Self-Development and Art Appreciation. In the previous period, we already learned about or talk about media and art. This one is the fourth unit, media and art part 2 things. So look at the page number 52. Here we have some pictures. All these pictures shows the types of variant medias, and one line is there. Life is meant to be lived, not wanted. So some people always not take it seriously that life is precious. The time is very precious. They not take it seriously. They always interested to waste the time, waste their life. Nothing can be done in the whole life from them. So this line tells us to survive your life as a good life with happiness, with total satisfaction, and help others too. Don't take it easily. Try to give more and more importance of your own life first, and then afterwards you can help others. So this line tells us like that. Now look at objectives here. This unit expects 7 types of objective from you. So let's read first one. Students should be able to express what social media is in their own words. In the previous lesson related to media, this type of objective we read already. It is your duty to write it about what is media and what its role in your own life. Understand? You have to write that information, your own opinions, in your own thoughts on your notebook. Understand? And come to the second point. Explain the efforts of social media in our own words. Sorry, effects that. So, media effects on our lives in today's life. We know that, and we experience all these things each and every moment. So you know what are the effects, bad effects or good effects. Everything in the world affects both types of effects, bad and good. Which type of effect you experience? So write about it, your own experience only. So nothing can be difficult. Come to the next. Recognize or identify the effects of social media on their own life. Then is your own life. The same topics repeated. Explain the causes of disrespect towards women and suggest solutions. Here, women's topic also in this unit we have to discuss today. How the other people or you people treats women surrounding you. You give them respect or not. All these related topics are explained in this unit. So after studying this unit, you write it down. Okay, come to the next one. Then know about the opinions for seeking help against abuse. Abuse means what? The wrong thing, problems only. So how to take others' help, or it is good or not. The related points in that objective only. Develop the ability to analyze their behavior towards an individual of the opposite sex and manage to bring about changes if required. If you don't like any opposite sex, means you are a boy and you don't like girls to talk with them, or you hate them, or you are a girl, vice versa. You can imagine if that thing is happened with you, so it must be required some changes in you. Understand? So these points also we learn in this unit, and after that you can write your own opinion. Conclude that healthy individuals who are focused on their goal. Healthy individuals means good people with good thoughts, good behavior, good activities, who are focused on their goal, who focused on their goal and choose always the right path and walking on that right path always. That type of people only are able to make more progress than those who are addicted to substance or social media. Obviously, it happens. Those people always taking in their mind about their goal, and those people who always ignore all the things, what is their responsibility, and addicted by the substance or any media. Um, there must be difference between both, because the first one having progress in his life, satisfaction, goodness, happiness only, and other definitely having only sadness. We know that, and we see all this type of experiences in our surrounding too. So we have to write on that topic also after completing this unit. Understand? So let's come to the lesson now. What is given here? Here some points are also given. Some examples related to advertisement, and all advertisement are related to the main topic women only. So let's read it. We have already seen that many a times disrespect and feeling of inferiority towards women is generated in our minds due to advertisements, cinema and TV serials. Let's now try to understand some other dimensions of this. So this line tells us we oftenly having inferiority towards women. Inferiority means what? Attraction towards the women only. We dip our emotions in that act. Suppose if you're watching any picture or any act in front of you, and you are deeply interacted with that scene, and forget about all the people surrounded you, and suddenly you shouted like this, beat him, beat him, beat him, he is a bad person, like that, because you involved in that act only. You treated you as like you are present on that place. Like this interaction is called as interiority. Understand? So we oftenly shows our interiority towards men, because some cinema scenes, TV serials and advertisements impact upon us like that. So some other dimensions also we have with the men, and what are they? Let's see that. Let's find out. Advertisements of oil, masala, spices, washing powder, where a man is shown cooking or washing clothes. So very opposite it is. Mainly we see in our house that always our mother or sister doing all that things. Not father. He is working outside the home. Okay, not inside. We experience this from our childhood and older days also. So is that you see that moment is correct or wrong as the point of women or men, as the difference between genders, or you compare them, they are equal or superior to each other? What are you thinking? And if a man is washing clothes, is that correct or wrong? The help to the men present in the house, is that correct or wrong? That is your point of view. You have to write it down in your notebook. Understand? Movies wherein the heroine is seen saving the hero's life or is defeating him. To save anyone's life means to help him come out any problem and help him. Like that, there is the saving only. Here we always often seen that hero saves that heroine, but the experience in this example is totally opposite. Heroine saves heroes' lives, or one more example is given here. C is defeating him. To defeat means to dominate, to win any debating or any discussion. If any topic is there between men and their point. Understand? Likewise, the women are showing their superiority against that men. The advertisement of child care products, where the man is seen talking the responsibility of look after that child. So look after little child is totally the responsibility of women. Our culture says like that. Is that true or is that correct? Is this clear justice for women? Think about it and write it down about that point too. Come to the next. Movies where the heroine is much older than the hero in age. So oftenly we see that in each and every couple, the main person, that is a man, whose age is big than his wife. Oftenly this type of couples we see in our surrounding, in our culture, or our culture accept that type of views. So is that correct or wrong? If we found that type of couple is totally opposite. The woman is older than the man. So what is your point of view? How you look towards that point? Here, expectations from you that you have to write your own opinion without any influence of olden culture, days, thoughts, understand, or any other happenings you seen or experience in your today's life. What you think that is better or that is not better, simply you have to write it down, that things only. Advertisements where a woman is shown riding a motorcycle or driving a car, means stunts, only stunts. She is driving a motorcycle, so why can't they drive? Obviously they also have all the type of rights superior to the men. So why our culture or why our society dominates women always in each and every field? So that is not good. Obviously, this is my own point of view, and what it's about you. You have to write it down. Come to the next page. On the page number 54. Advertisements where a woman is shown performing a courageous act. Courageous act means what? Oftenly the society not expect that type of act from that woman. It is a stunt only. In our own words. Here in a blue page some lines are given. Let's read that. Give the students a week's time to find advertisement of each of the above mentioned types. Just we read these 4 or 5 examples. You have to find out the related advertisements and list them in your notebook. What is difficult to search for the advertisements? Why? What have they realized from this activity? And which type of advertisement related to that example is difficult to find out? Like that, women shows their stunts. This type of advertisement oftenly we seen less in numbers than the men, because our society always believes in the men's superiority. So you have some difficulties towards that women's nice activities, maybe or may not. That depend on your experience only. So do that. Watch all the advertisements, list them, and what point is difficult to find out in the advertisement, you have to note them. That present that type of questions is. It is not possible or easy for women to drive vehicle, to perform courageous acts. Is cooking, looking after children, or washing clothes meant only for women? So what is your point of view? Is that all things are daily life happening in our surrounding or in our home? All these responsibilities inside the home are only that of women or men? What is your point of view? Write it down. Okay. Come to the next point. What message is conveyed through the following? So here also we have some examples only. So let's read two types of examples related to the hero. In first one example, the hero is different, and then second one, hero's behavior is different. Let's see what is that. A hero is shown chasing or following that heroine, troubling her, yet he was not punished. We often see these type of scenes in pictures, serials, or our surrounding too. In the real life, the hero always following that heroine and chasing her. Following means chasing her always. Where she goes, he goes. That type of chasing and troubles her. He not taking in his mind that she wants or not want. What was her own opinion? He doesn't bother that type of way. Understand? So that type of heroes we see many pictures, and moreover, he doesn't get any type of punishment. So how you taken that position, this type of incident in your mind? What is your own opinions about that? Think about it and come to the next one. The hero and the villain fight amongst, means fight to each other, themselves for the heroine without asking or considering the heroine's choice. So they don't take her in mind that she has her own opinions, she has her own choice. They doesn't get any what we can say, they doesn't take in their mind that she is a live person. She has her opinions, likes, dislikes. They doesn't bother about that. They don't take in mind. They don't consider her as a person. They only considers their own choice, their own likeness, and that's why for that heroine, the villain and the hero fights with each other. So is that correct or wrong? Must be we have to consider that girl first. Think about it and write your opinion. Come to the next. In teasing. Teasing the girls, passing comments on them, harassing them, purposely troubling them is called teasing. So clear definition is given here. No discussion. Some people behave in this manner on the roads or in the crowd. Some type of people always troubling women without any purpose. They try to close her or try to touch her inappropriately, like that. Some type of people in our society doing like that, and this type of acting or action is called as teasing. Okay. Passing indecent. Indecent is not appropriate, not correct, wrongly. Indecent comments in foul language. Foul language is bad language only. The words are not so good to hear it. Touching inappropriately, criticizing them, using physical force, making lewd gestures are all included under teasing. So lewd gestures means what? The body language related to the neck or head, showing some signs or passing some bad signs towards that woman or girl. That is sweet gestures only. So all these things some people are doing in the society always. They are interested in that. They have interest to tease men or forcefully they touches them, passing bad type of comments, inappropriate language they use oftenly. They not give any type of respect towards men. Like that, the behavior is there. Women are only the showpiece, and the entertainment thing only. It is not a live person. They don't think like that. That type of thinking and acting is like you teasing. Understand? So here, help students to think about the following. Image of a woman. The students must be made aware of the fact that certain things shown in the movies are far from the reality. Ask the students if they know of other situations of the same kind. If your friend is doing like that in your class, if your friend is doing like that, or if you find any person in your society near you, or anywhere you find that type of person, you have to tell him that this is a real life, and the life shown in the pictures is only fictitious, not real, only fictitious. It's only the entertainment points only, entertainment scenes only. We cannot apply them in our real life. Understand? You must tell this situation to them, this type of thought, that type of people who are interested in teasing the women. They don't respect women. You must spread that type of thought, and you won't doing that, or your own thoughts are like that. You must bring, it's your duty to bring a change in you, in your thoughts, in your behavior, in your acting. Understand? So do the respect towards women. Understand? Come to the next page. Do this. Make two different groups of 5-6 girls and 5-6 boys. So two groups are there, girls and boys. There is some activity for you. Let's read that. Enact the following skit about you teasing. Both the groups should perform it separately. So the situation is same, and groups are two, girls and boys. You have to perform separately the same event. Okay. So after the skit, invite them. You can write it down on the dialogues and who play this role, who play beside this, all the planning when prepared. After that, a girl is walking on the road. So here the situation is that there is a road, a girl is walking on the road. There is a group of 4-5 boys standing on the roadside, and on the roadside 4-5 boys are standing there. Now if that group is girls group, so girls roll as a boys. Understand? Girls roll like a boy only. So forget about it, all the girls and boys are only boys. Like that the situation is. So here 4-5 girls are standing and one girl is passing from that road. Understand? First one boy whistles. You know what is whistle? The girl puts her head down and walks ahead. So after listening whistles, you notice that he whistles for her only. So she don't like that activity and she ignores all these things and walking the way, bending down her neck downside and walking ahead only. Don't stop and look back. Do that type of things. You don't have any daring because the boys are 4-5 in numbers. Okay. She is not able to oppose them. Addressing. Now second boy. Shh. Means addressing towards that girl. She started moving ahead. See? Started moving, without looking back. She only walking and trying to pass that way as far as she want to go from that boys. That type of situation is there, and the 4-5 boys troubles without any reason for their enjoyment only. Okay. Number 3, boy number 3 throws crumpled ball of a paper towards her. So he throws crumpled ball towards her. Then also she don't look back. She is afraid. Now she afraid. Very much fear or pressure. Now the situation is serious now. starts walking fast. She starts walking fast now. After she passes them, and after some time she passes from that place, and the boys have a healthy laugh as if celebrating the victory. Is this a victory? To troubles poor men or girl and taking enjoyment. So it is a victory. Is it? You think like that? It's a proper way? So it's depend on your opinion. Is it proper way or a nice way to entertain us? Is that correct or wrong? You must have to respect men. That is your duty. What is that? And two types of groups we have: girls group and boys group. Girls also plays like boys role. So when that three girls here, 1, 2, 3 boys we seen one whistles, and second addressing that girl, and third one throwing ball, paper ball, like this. These all things girls doing towards that girl. So what that girl which throwing the ball or whistling there, all these things are doing like a boy. What do they feel that time? You have to write that experience. So how you feel that time? So you are doing that to throwing that paper ball towards that girl. Is that feeling is enjoying happiness, or you feel like a victory? What boys feel and what girls feel, that is the different opinions, different two types of experience, because in this group only boys and in this group only girls. So let's find out it, think about it and write it down. Okay, because definitely this is not good. Come to the next point. Think about it. Well, let's see what is that. Fearing the possibility of misbehavior, many parents avoid sending their daughters out for education or jobs. So many parents are fear always. And what type of fear? Possibility of misbehavior. They don't have trust on their own daughter or own family members. They don't have that type of trust. They think like that. If they allow her to go outside very far in university, and she is giving her whole attention towards the study and not doing any misbehavior things, they don't have that type of trust on her. Such people, such parents we see around us, and this thing is badly impact on that girl's career, obviously. Okay, and another fact is there. Just because of this feeling of insecurity, many girls are deprived of many opportunities. So, what is the pronunciation? Doesn't matter. Deprived means to avoid, or we don't get that thing. We are simply lose all that things. So loss. Deprived means loss. It's one type of loss. We can say lack. That type of loss we means girls always experiences. Why? Because one type that parents not trusted them, and the second type is that because of this lack of trust or their own thinking wrong way, girls loses their opportunities always, and that thing impact on her life. Very bad thing it is. Do you think that we should create an atmosphere of security for everything in society? What attempts will you make for this? So, others may be troubles her, or see maybe behaves badly, or there is a possibility of misbehaving of her or other people troubles her. These two types of possibilities oftenly seen in our society, and that's why many parents not allow their child to go or take your opportunities or take the education in any good university which is very far from their town. Listen, like these situations are always happens in our surrounding. But it is your duty to try to change in the society. So what is your duty and what you want to do for that? Let's see the next point. How is the atmosphere in your class? Think about your class. How is the atmosphere in your class? Is there an atmosphere of equality in your class? Equality means there is no superiority in the different genders. All are in the same level, girls and boys. Okay. Does anyone in the class pass inappropriate comment or teach somebody which makes others uncomfortable? And when others listen that scene is not good, they feels uncomfortable, bad feelings they feels that time, then their experience is not so good. They don't like all that type of bad activities. If that type of scene you see in your class, if you see, then what is your action? You oppose it or you take a stand against that? What's that? See the third one situation. Does everybody understand each other's problems and take care that they do not cause inconvenience to others? So does everybody present in your class understand all these type of inconvenience and does all do their best or take attention only towards their study or their goal, or doing all these inappropriate things, bad things? So what is that? Okay, come to the fourth one. Does everybody get equal opportunity to participate in class or group projects? And every class, many types of activities and projects are going on all through the year. And is there some particular students only take part and the others always not allowed to take part there? Or likewise students are present in your class that they forces them to don't get part there. You don't have this type of opportunity. They all doing like that, or you all have the same justice for that? What is that? What the situation is going on in your class? You have to find out that and write it down. In school, do you find absence messages or rumors being spread about anyone? So rumors means what? Rumors means not the actual thing. This is only imagination. In your school, do you find absence messages? Absence messages means wrong thing not happening. One tells about her to that person, that boy, and that boy again. Next boy, likewise that news is spread everywhere, but news is not correct. We call that type of news as rumors. There is no truth at all, only imagination, for our fun only. Like this, anything happens in your class. Okay, so give the students 5-10 minutes time to think over that. This is the responsibility of your teacher to give you that type of activity and think about what's going on in class. Okay, is all is correct or something is wrong happened? Write it down, think about it, what is happens and what is not happens, what the points are correct or what the points are not correct related to your class. Okay, so responsible social behavior. Come to the next point. Now all the next points are related to your responsibility. Protecting each other from other people indulging in this behavior. When we see any type of event, any type of experience happens there, it's not appropriate, not correct. So take a stand there. Okay, well, let's see then what lines tells us. Beware of people trying to misbehave with you. Say no firmly to anyone trying to misbehave with you. Inform this to somebody you trust. If you see anyone misbehaving with someone you know, try to put a stop to the misbehavior and inform the elders about this. Never tolerate anyone who takes undue advantage or misbehaves with you or anybody else. So you must have to keep a daring with you. If this type of things happen with you, if someone is troubles you, misbehaves you, or forces you, or touches badly, or talking badly, or all these things, if happens with you, then strictly, without any pressure of fearing, daringly you have to say no there, or tell this type of situation to any elder person who you trust, or take a stand against it. So these all things are related to disrespect of men. Okay. Respect people around you. Many people may like us, but we may not necessarily like all of them. This situation very common. Other people like you, but you don't like them. They like to talk with you, but you don't like to talk with them. Common situation it is. Similarly, we may like many people, but they all may not necessarily like us. So these things vice versa also. Once we understand this, it becomes easier to respect each other's opinion. Just as you may have likes and dislikes, learn to respect and accept others' likes and dislikes. Always think any type of situation to you first. Apply it to you. Keep you on that situation. And then think. Then it is easy for you to understand why he is doing that like that. You also dislike the people which like you, which people like you, and you dislike them. So stand you on that main place and then understand the situation. They like you, you don't like. Some people also dislike you and you like them. Maybe this happens. So think oppositely, vice versa. Keep you on that place, and when you tries that, when you familiar to think in that way, keeping you on that place, then it is very easy for you to understand why they are doing like that. They are not wrong, because you think that you are not wrong. You don't like them. Likewise, they also don't like you. Same thing it is. But when can you understand it easily? Keep you on their place and then think. Understand? Very simple way, but teaches us much more things. Each and every situation wrong we see in our life, or we feel that is wrong, but actually it is not wrong. When go through that situation, don't give your opinion keeping you on that place only. Keep you on all the situations, all the related people's situation. Keep you, take their places and then think. After thinking all the circumstances, it is easy for you to take clear decisions or to create any appropriate opinion about that surrounded people or that related people. Okay, so this thing is very very important. So listen it more and more time and try to apply it in your life. Understand? Now we will see only one paragraph today. They remain. It is important to know your limits and behave. Taking advantage of crowded places or places for behaving in an absence or uncivilized manner with girls, whistling at them, passing or writing vulgar remarks, writing degrading remarks about someone on the walls. All such practices must be avoided and prevented at any cost. At any cost, you have to respect girls, women. Understand? At any cost. Because we are all equal. We all are the part of our society. Equal responsibility and equal rights. So why are you treating women like a dominant person or only entertaining thing? But treat them like a live person, a nice person, or a nice partner, capable in each and everything. Like that, you must have changed your thinking towards men at any cost. Understand? It is your own responsibility. So don't tease them, don't trouble them, don't pass bad comments towards them, don't touch them badly, don't take a chance in the crowded place to force her to do this or not. Like this, avoid all the things. And if you see that type of man, oppose him, stand against him, or tell about it to the elder persons. Understand? It's your own responsibility at any cost. So remember this last paragraph we read. Okay? All living beings have some basic needs which are essential for survival. Each and everything, every living thing have basic needs naturally. Trees require soil, water, fertilizers, etc. Animal and human being also have some needs. Our food, clothes, shelter, we need. But the major difference between animals and human beings is that human beings follow certain rules or systems even for fulfilling their basic needs, such as when they are thirsty, they want clear water. When hungry, they don't eat spoiled food. They have the ability to control their desires. Having patience, it is a sign of a responsible person to follow certain rules for fulfilling even our basic desires. So it is very important to fulfill our basic desires or basic needs. Otherwise we cannot survive or we cannot live. We need food every day. We need water every day. And also the animals and the trees also. Then what is the difference between that animals, trees and us? What is the main difference? The main difference is that though we are thirsty, we don't drink any type of dirty water. We drink only nice water, clear and pure. Because we follow that type of discipline. That this is the main difference between them and us. Understand? That means you have certain nice thoughts with you. You understand, you know that what is a correct thing or a wrong thing. You believe in rules of society. You know your certain limits, how to behave or not to behave. So all these things are you know. Then why you behave like a bad person? So it's your duty, it's your responsibility to behave like a nice citizen, must respect the women at any cost. Okay, well, we will stop here today. We will see the next points related to this topic, media and I, part 2, in the next period. Till then, good day, goodbye, and take care.